Hi guys, I'm the Kidsplainer, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to hold a spoon and a fork. When you first learned to eat, you probably held your spoon like this. But now that you're older, you should learn the right way to hold it. How you hold it is you take your hand and curl in these bottom 3 fingers. Now, it should look like you're pointing at someone. Then, grab your spoon and lay it across the middle of your hand. And have the bowl of the spoon not super close to your hand, but more far away. Next, put your thumb on top to hold it in place and lay your pointer finger alongside the spoon. Some people like to curl these fingers in more or a little bit out more, whatever's more comfortable to you. Now, you know how to correctly spoon food into your mouth. That's good. With a fork, you hold it the same way. Remember, take your hand and curl in these bottom 3 fingers. Now, it should look like you're pointing at someone. Then, grab your fork and lay it across the middle of your hand. Put your thumb on top and lay your pointer finger alongside. Now, you can pierce food and scoop food. And there you have it. Good. I hope you enjoyed learning how to hold a spoon and a fork. If you liked this video, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm the Kidsplainer, and I'll see you next time.